Whether you enjoy fishing, boating, or swimming, nearly everyone has a lasting memory centered around a great experience at a lake or pond. Unfortunately, the effects of time can slowly alter the appearance of a water body until it no longer resembles the place you fondly remember. If not properly managed, a water body will eventually fill with organic materials until it loses so much depth it's nothing more than a small puddle. Luckily, there are sediment removal strategies like hydro-raking available to help restore the longevity of your favorite place. Hydro-rakes can operate in almost any water body, including those as shallow as 18 inches or up to depths of 10 feet. A hydro-rake is best described as a floating barge containing a mounted backhoe arm, boom and dipper, with a York rake attachment. These attachments are used to scoop organic materials out of the water body, with the ultimate goal of improving water quality, increasing water volume, reducing bad odors, and creating a healthier, more balanced aquatic ecosystem. An effective hydro-raking project should be completed at times when plant fragmentation is least likely in order to ensure lasting results. A professional lake manager can design a hydro-raking plan that provides seasonal eradication, but your water body doesn't need to be overrun with undesirable plants to experience the positive results of a hydro-raking project. It's also a great management solution for lakes and ponds containing thick bottom sludge or years of accumulated sediment. A hydro-rake can collect up to 500 pounds of muck in each scoop and deposit it on shore for disposal. Although hydro-raking can dramatically improve the quality and aesthetic of your lake or pond, ultimately, the best method to ensure a lifetime of use is through the preventative management of vegetation growth, nutrient loading, and shoreline erosion. So it's never too early or late to begin implementing strategies that enhance and protect your water body. Call to speak to one of our aquatic scientists today to learn more about how you can exceed your lake and pond management goals.